XRF PCB surface finish testing provides a non-destructive way to measure and verify the thickness of metallic coatings applied during printed circuit board manufacturing. Surface finishes protect exposed copper from oxidation while providing a solderable surface for component assembly, making PCB surface finish thickness control an important part of the manufacturing process. XRF, or X-ray fluorescence, measures metallic coating thickness without damaging the PCB. The process begins by placing the panel or sample inside the machine. After the system completes its calibration, the operator uses the integrated camera to locate the measurement area and precisely position the desired pad. The Z-axis is then adjusted to bring the target into clear focus. Using information from the job traveler, the operator selects the appropriate surface finish within the XRF software. The system can be configured to measure several common PCB finishes, including HASL, ENIG, hard gold, NEPIG, and silver. Once the test is configured, the machine automatically performs a series of measurements on the selected area. The resulting data allows our team to evaluate the thickness of the metallic coating and determine whether it meets the requirements specified by the customer or the applicable industry specification. For ENIG, or electroless nickel immersion gold, this is especially important because both the electroless nickel and immersion gold layers must be carefully controlled. Other multi-layer metallic finishes, such as NEPIG, or electroless nickel electroless palladium immersion gold, can also require verification of individual coating layers based on the applicable requirements. Once testing is complete, the results are reviewed and documented as part of the manufacturing record. By verifying PCB surface finish thickness with XRF testing, our team can confirm that the measured coating meets the requirements established for the finished board.